In the last video, I talked about which kind and brand of needle I use on my Brother GS2700. So check that out if you're interested. Today, let's talk about needle sizes. To know the size of the needle, they are the numbers indicated on the packaging, and it's usually engraved on the shank of the needle like this. As you can see here, the lower the number, the finer the needle. The higher the number, the larger the size of the needle. Finer needles were usually used when you're working with thin or sheer fabrics. Higher or larger sizes of needle were used for medium to heavier weight of fabric, or if you're working with several layers of fabric. But please know that choosing and knowing the right needle involves a little bit of experimentation, so don't be afraid to try and know what works best for you in your project. You can buy an assorted package. It includes different sizes, so you can try every size available before buying in bulk like I do. So that's all for today. Please follow if you want more videos like this.